Good afternoon. I am not sure where to start off. Today, to be honest with you, I don't feel like to record and share anything, but I just have to. Sometimes you don't feel like you want to do anything. You just have the courage to do it anyway. To overcome that fear, to overcome that discourage, you just continue push through the obstacle, push through the uncomfortable, push through any circumstances that will stop you to achieve your goal. So I just want to come here, even I feel like this is not my day. It wasn't a good day for me to start off with, but I make the commitment to learning things new and to share with everyone that's supporting me. So today I'm learning about the obstacle in life. So no matter what lights go on that you're thinking in a blink second, it might be a perfect light, but sometimes things out of whack without you even realize it. So preparation is the key. Mind preparation is the key. Whether you're dealing with circumstances, whether you're dealing with things coming your way with unexpectancy, you can still handling because your mind is already have preparation. What I mean by preparation, it's financial preparation. That's the key, number one. And of course, you know by now, my channel is like to encourage everyone to take control of your own finances. So the markets might look rocky today. The economics might look rocky. But the key is to in charge your own finances. You know where your money at. I just want to come here to share with you all. This is the key, the preparations. Whether that one basket, the eggs might be rotten, you still have some other basket that have a good eggs ready to hatch. So don't be discouraged. Life would always deal with unexpectancy. So I just want to encourage everyone must have the preparation. Whatever you invest into, you must dealing with the right preparation, which you in charge. You're in charge of your own finances. Don't let anyone else fool you. Okay? The market up and down, you can still make it. That is the key. You want to know more? Find out more? Contact Paula365. We'd love to share with you all how to create your own budget, how to save money, manage and invest in your own pace. No one else in charge but you. You in charge your own finances. Achieve the goals that you want to be, who you want to be. Thank you all so much. Love you all. We'll see you next time.